Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. So the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra could have a bigger screen to match the iPhone 16 Pro Max smartphone, striking the bezels so there is more room for the screen. The network has revealed new exciting details, and top-rated brands like Apple and Samsung are revealing day-by-day top secret about its flagship line. But this time it's something special. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. The Galaxy S25 Ultra, which will likely launch in January 2025, reportedly has a new design language, featuring more rounded corners and softer edges. It is also getting a new software that will gel well with the new design. The new design also improved the Galaxy S25 Ultra screen size and bezels. According to a claim from a usually reliable tipster ICE Universe, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will have a narrower body despite a bigger screen. It is said to have a 77.6 mm wide body and a 6.86 inches display. In comparison, the Galaxy S24 Ultra has a 79 mm wide body and a 6.79 inches display. This means Samsung will offer a bigger screen with a narrower body, which is a win-win for consumers. This is according to a reputable leaker ICE Universe, who posting on X.com claimed that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will have a 6.86 inches display, which could see it more or less match the iPhone 16 Pro Max smartphone, which leaks suggest will either have a 6.9 inches display or an identically sized 6.86 inches one. The display around the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra 6.8 inches screen measures 3.35 mm. The Galaxy S25 Ultra, which reportedly has a 6.9 inches display, has 2.3 mm bezels around the screen. That means the upcoming smartphone has 31% thinner bezels. This will improve the phone's ergonomic, and people will feel more comfortable holding it for a long time. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is also said to feature more rounded corners, moving away from the sharp corners seen on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. This should bring more consistency between the design of the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus and Galaxy S25 Ultra models. Currently, the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus have rounded corners, while the Galaxy S24 Ultra has sharper corners. Of course, as ever with leaks, we take this with a pinch of salt. Though ICE Universe has a solid track record, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is likely to land alongside the Samsung Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Plus in January or February next year. So we should find out its exact size then. So for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time. Bye bye.